Hello friends, welcome to my channel Home Cooking. Today we are going to make an Indian sausages famously known in Gujarat as Muthiya. It's multigrain and you will really love it. So let's get started. We hot our steamer. Meanwhile, we will grate our bottle gourd. I have peeled it with the help of a grater. We grate it. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes. And now it's time to add all our flours that are available with you. Half a cup of whole wheat flour, 3 tablespoons of maize flour, 1/4 cup of besan or gram flour, bajra flour 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of ragi flour, very rich in calcium and potassium. In goes our jawar flour. Now, as bottle gourd has a lot of water content, it's necessary to add semolina. In goes my 2 tablespoons of semolina rava. In goes the spiciness. I love spicy, so I am adding 4 green chilies. You can adjust it according to the taste. Now we will grate our garlic cloves. I've taken approx 3 for 1 medium size. Now it's time to add all our spices. In goes our 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. It's time to add salt for taste. We squeeze our sourness to balance all the flavors inside. This is super healthy recipe. You can also make methi muthiya using the same recipe. In goes 1 tablespoon of oil, and we nicely, with a very light hand, we just mix all the ingredients. Make sure we are not kneading anything. If you knead much, the water content will come out and you will have to balance it out with more flour. Here I'm just mixing it. So you can also grease your hand, but I have not. So we just give it a sausages shape, a longer cylindrical shape, and we roll all our muthiyas. For more amazing quick and healthy recipes and summer cool recipes, do check my channel and let me know into the comments, and don't forget to subscribe guys. It motivates me a lot. The clean bowl is a correct say that your recipe is going into correct direction. As you can see, they are perfect to go into our steamer. We place all our muthiyas into our greased plate. We place it out and we close the lid and let it steam for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15-20 minutes, we check it with the knife. If it comes out clean, then your muthiya is ready and it's correct time to off the flame. You can see it has slightly double its size after steaming. Let it cool down for approx 10 to 12 minutes, and then you can cut it into a circular pieces like this and saute fry it. You can see they are now ready to saute fry. For frying, all we need is mustard seeds, sesame seeds, chilies, and curry leaves. Into 2 tablespoons of oil, we add mustard seeds. Once it splutters, I add chili. They are red chili from my garden. You can take any kind of other chilies as well. In goes curry leaves. In goes our muthiya. They are so nice and healthy. We give it a quick stir to it. This will not take more than 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to off the flame, add our sesame seeds, and ready to serve. Thank you for watching this amazing recipe of muthiya. Do try it at your home and let me know into the comments. But don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye. I just cannot wait to have this muthiya. Wow.